Heirloom Shower S4848 Door Assembly Procedure. 3 pairs or 6 pieces of plastic seal strips are in the package. 2 L-shaped strips are for the back sides of the doors. 2 U-shaped small strips are for the front panels. 2 magnetic white strips are for the front sides of the doors. Install the door rollers first. Put the roller shaft through the hole from outside curve. Put on the white hexagon washer, metal washer, then tighten the metal nut. Do not tighten the nut yet. Install the door handles. The big door handles are on the outside of the curve. Put on the washers and then line up with the holes. Put on another washer and then screw on the small handle. Put on the magnetic door seals on the door handle sides. Put on the L-shaped seal to the back edge of the door. The L is on the outside of the curve.